My name is Matt Fox with Uprise Conservation, here in Columbia Bottoms Conservation Area. And what we have here are a ton of native sunflowers. These are absolutely gigantic examples of the family, a family which has more than 50 species. Let's look at them, let's talk about them. Come with. Check this out. So if we take a look at this gigantic sunflower head right here, we can see that the sunflower is actually made up of many, many tiny flowers. That's called a floret. All of these are packed in a complicated spiral known as the Fibonacci sequence. It's the most mathematically precise way to pack a lot of things into a small space. Nature always finds the most efficient way to do something. And it's absolutely beautiful. This one right here is doing what a lot of sunflowers do. It's called heliotropism. It is turning its face towards the sun. As we look out at this field of sunflowers, all of them are facing this way. So what they're doing is they're casting their face towards the sun, getting as much heat on that flowering body as they possibly can. There's a kind of a mystery. People don't know why exactly they do it, but some of the theories are this. They think maybe that the increased heat on the flower increases that production and pulling of that nectar up to the flower. That makes pollinators more interested in pollinating this flower because the nectar is brought right up to the surface and it will turn its head to follow the sun all day. Now here's the interesting part. At night, it will turn its head and faced east. It predicts that the sun will come up tomorrow morning. Hopefully they're right every single day. Every part of these flowers is fascinating, from the flowers and the leaves all the way down to the roots. So let's get down and check out the roots. So down here at insect level, we can see that these guys are rooted incredibly firmly into the soil. And these flowers are super important for something called phytoremediation, which is using plant life in order to remove impurities and toxins from the soil. They are able to take up heavy metals and even irradiated material out of the soil. So we've used them in places like Chernobyl and Fukushima in order to help clear those areas of toxins, which are dangerous for us humans, and they're just as dangerous for wildlife and the nature in that area. So these plants are saving their environment. This truly is an incredible organism, making its environment a healthier place for all. Wow. Take a look at this one. We can see the seeds starting to form. Now, this varietal of sunflower is actually a domestic. It was domesticated by indigenous people right here in North America more than 4,000 years ago, which makes it one of the oldest domestic plants we have of any kind. And right here in Columbia Bottoms, in this bottomland habitat, with all those nutrients deposited by the rivers, this is a perfect place to raise them. These seeds are high in fats, high in protein, high in vitamins like B. They've been a staple part of diets right here in the Midwest since time immemorial. Beautiful seeds, almost ready to eat. Oh, come. Pollinating bees, right there. You can see that these European honeybees actually have sacs on the last digit of their last leg, where they store that pollen, which they're taking back to their hive and will eventually turn into honey, a food for them and their offspring. Take a look at this one. We have a bumblebee here. These are solitary bees, and he's collecting that nectar just for himself. You can see that hair all over them, which is designed to trap that pollen and move that from place to place. Now, these flowers are huge already, but believe it or not, they're only 2/3 of the way through their life cycle. If we come back in a month, they'll be as tall as I am. The world record size for this variety of sunflower is 30 feet tall. So these things can get absolutely gigantic. There really is no limit to the size they can get, the beauty of this incredible flower, and what they can do for us and the ecosystems all around us. Look at this habitat. It's beautiful, it's thriving, but it's more than that. This is a habitat that was brought back from the brink. It was once just a farm field, and Missouri's Department of Conservation has restored it and turned it back into this glorious bottomland, which we see here today. These sunflowers thriving, improving the soil all the time, full of carnivorous birds, butterflies of all kinds. This is what life is like outside your door. Come with us, stay curious, get out there, and we'll see you on the next one.